Have you ever wondered how your friends on Snapchat can see when you're active? Snapchat has an option that allows this, but many people don't even know it exists. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the activity indicator so your status shows when you're online. It's simple, and it can be really useful, whether you want your friends to know when you're available for a quick exchange of snaps or just to give them a sign that you're around. So, first find the Snapchat app on your home screen and open it. Once you're in Snapchat, the next step is to tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen, which will take you to your profile. When you're on your profile, you'll immediately see a gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and it will take you to the Snapchat settings page. Once in Settings, scroll down and find the option called Activity Indicator. When you find it, tap on it. After that, simply move the switch from left to right to activate this feature. Once you do that, your friends will now be able to see when you were last active, which can be useful if you frequently communicate on Snapchat. If you ever change your mind, you can turn off this option the same way, by simply moving the switch back. And that's it for this short clip. I hope it was helpful and that you've successfully activated this useful feature. If it was, don't forget to leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon!